Hello and welcome to our video 581st video, and I'm Lalia from Sanskriti Kolkata, and today's episode will be on chicken work sarees as well as fancy beautiful embroidered sarees in tussar and a variety of other fabrics. So stay tuned. I'll start with the first, a very sober virgin colored tussar embroidery, which is all over thread work and has a very nice sober brownish touch. Earthy colors used in the silk thread work all over. The base fabric is pure desi tussar with zari border. Sari number 1, prices and description details mentioned. See the video properly before booking. First come first serve basis. Only after you make that payment we will be confirming the booking, and after payment send your name, address, telephone number and pin code. This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, an awesome collection of full embroidery sari, and these lovely color combinations look so beautiful in summer. All over thread work. I have another combination in this concept, which is again a zari border, but here the predominant colors are a smoky lilac and fuchsia. Saris that make a style statement in your wardrobe, and wherever you go, you will be getting a lot of enquiries from where you bought the sari, and you're looking very good. Loads of compliments, which we all love, and I'm sure you will be forwarding me your pictures so that I can put it up in our Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page album, Sanskriti Srimotis. These are all over thread work, beautiful color combination, sober, and the work, it's all fill. भरा हुआ जो काम हम बताते हैं ना, एकदम भरा हुआ काम है इसमें. Number 3, I love these summery cool tone on tone fabric, where we have the base virgin colored tussar, desi tussar with a zari border, and I show many similar concepts of these saris in katha also and in embroidery saris also. I love the white color thread on this beige color tussar, this desi tussar with all over thread work zari border. Zari pallu number 3, 10,500. It looks very classy with this zari stripe blouse piece. But if you want to make it a little different, so you can opt for our hand embroidered tussar blouses. These are our hand embroidered pure desi tussar blouses, where all Parsi work, bullion stitch, katha, mixed embroidery is done in pure tussar 3990. All over embroidery. You can buy the blouses separately or along with the saris. Sari can be bought separately also. We have more options in these kind of threadwork blouses, where you can do video call or opt for pictures. 3990 for the separate tussar handwork blouse. Sari price 10,500. Another embroidery option of the sari in the same fabric is this. So 2 designs we've done in the similar concept of desi tussar zari border. Sundays we are closed. Monday to Saturday 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night we are open. For if you want to do enquiries after 8 p.m. please send it in the 7603042696 number. The other video call number and the other numbers, it's with the staff, and our store closes at 8 o'clock. So after that the replies will be the next day when we reopen the store. This is the extra blouse piece which you can go for. Pure tussar hand embroidered extra blouse piece. Beautiful, see, with these kind of mix and match. There's a total difference in the look of the sari. Hand work, and this is the back, the front, all over इस पे काम है और बहुत बारीकी काम है, बहुत खूबसूरत. And these have so many colors, so you can wear it with other saris also. This is 4,300 depending on the work. 4,300 is the green blouse. Sari price mentioned, all over work in pure tussar. Now I'm also wearing a Pittan Zari tussar. Pittan Zari, my favorite thread work as of now. It's in a zari which is hammered, and it has a very bright look, very gorgeous. Upper border narrow and the lower border in a very royal look. Nice red shade. This is the achol. Number 5. 15,500. These zaris doesn't become dark because it's already brightened with the hammering pitai, जैसे जिसको बोलते हैं पिट्टन जरी. और ये है blouse piece. The blouse piece is also very beautiful. Edging neatly completed with a self lace, self colored lace, and this is the work. So I'll have more color options in this design. It's a very pretty, beautiful embroidery where the no sequins, no those extra material, but सिर्फ जरी. और ये जो जरी है इतना खूबसूरत, इसका नीट फिनिशिंग है, बैक साइड के से पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि इसमें काम हुआ है. एकदम hammered and flattened. Color option, the black one, and the color of the zari is neither gold nor silver. It's a champagne gold color, beautiful shade. So the good thing of this zari is you can wear it with silver, all gold, copper, any color metal jewelry goes well with this, or stones. Blouses are gorgeous, full work, very pretty blouses. Very pretty ones. This is machine embroidery in a snuff color tussar. Our tussar quality is excellent, and we outsource our tussar from different states of India, and all states fabric material is slightly different from each other. But 100% pure tussar. Very pretty work, and the work is very neat, geometric. It's kind of a fulkari pattern. This black is so rich. See, in this black you can also see the pattern properly. These are all new designs that I'm showing you. The body is highlighted with self chota mirror mica work. So it's a border pallu concept. With blouse piece. The blouse, the sleeves will have the work. First come, first serve basis. Only after you make the payment, we'll confirm your booking and do not delay in making the payment, because if somebody else makes the payment, it will be hers. Coffee color, our signature flying birds pattern design. Parsi, machine Parsi border. The body has beautiful flying bird pattern, which is our signature collection of flying birds. How do you like this pattern? Such pretty combination in a coffee color shade. It's a wine coffee color, very fresh, rich color. The border is so pretty big with the off-white work, and see the flying birds throughout. Here is the blouse piece. So see the pattern. Now you can see properly how the different positions and moods of the birds. And very neat work. See it in this one, you can understand. Just show closely the work concept, work pattern. See the shapes, the moods, the patterns, the lovely detailing of the flying birds. A midnight blue color comes with a similar blouse piece. So all the saris are with blouses, blouse material. So पसंद आए तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा और रेकमेंड कीजिएगा सभी को, आपका फ्रेंड्स, दोस्तों को, फैमिली मेंबर्स को, आपका खुद का फेसबुक से आप थोड़ा शेयर कर सकते हैं, तो थोड़ा और कस्टमर्स जिसको साड़ी पसंद है वो भी देख सकेगा. So I believe if you like my products, if you like Sanskriti Creations, if you like our quality, our service, please don't hesitate to recommend our store name to your friends and family members. This is a black sari with again a very pretty work, neat work, embroidered border. The edge will be more work, the butterfly and all with the birds and butterfly. The border is also very pretty, a very neat work, machine Parsi, and this is the blouse piece. So it becomes half the price if it's by machine, and by hand it's double almost. So the fabric is same, all in pure tussar, but machine work. The look is those who want a bit budget friendly Parsi look sari, Gara Parsi concept but machine work, but very neat and very pretty work. I can actually see the work properly. It's a very fine work and you can wear it with your silver and very different look. This has a different look altogether. So that had a border embroidery blouse. This is another Parsi concept, Gara Parsi concept sari in a deep Rama type color, very pretty gorgeous color with white dhaga thread. This is the border, the edging is scallop with bird embroidery flower, and this is the sari. See, such a beautiful looking sari. I have kept few options in this concept of machine Parsi. That one had a running blouse piece. Now in this, I have this blouse. So don't waste fabric. You can make a high neck or a closed neck blouse. It looks very pretty with the sleeves work. Beautiful blouse material in tussar pure, and hence the price is also different. Now I have this one bottle green color with, see, today I'm showing you a lot of variety of Gara Parsi concept machine embroidery, same pattern, same design, except it's done in machine but in pure tussar. So tussar embroidery, look at this, all over jal work in bottle green. Previous ones in single dhaga thread. Here the bird, our signature birds have been done in a contrast thread. Our address 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19 and 12 Jamil Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. We have 2 branches in Kolkata. 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. We are open every day. Bottle green, very pretty. Now the hanging sari. You can check out the similar one, the hanging one, the black one is same concept of the bottle green sari. This is the hanging one, the black Parsi work. With the blouse piece. 15,800. All over embroidery in black. Now I have the previous sari with the heavy blouse. Look at this, the dark red color. Border Parsi and the blouse. This is the blouse piece. It's fully with embroidery. Price 17,500. This is the lower border, pallu ka border, 17,500. Now I have Georgette Parsi embroidered dupattas. Look at the color options in the dupattas. This is a beige color. All over Parsi work Georgette, full length dupattas. All over, and it's complete with edging. Prices, two color options. Prices is 3,990. Georgette Parsi machine Parsi all over dupatta makes a style statement to your kurtas for workwear and for gifting also. 3,990 all over Parsi work dupattas, 3,990. Now I'll show you a cross stitch on high demand. I'm just diverting from the tussars. These are jamewars. These are cotton silk, semi-silk chanderi fabric, silk chanderi fabric with silver zari weave with border done in cross stitch, machine cross stitch, 7,990. These are blended but very good quality and a very good look, and within 8,000 you're getting a very good look sari. Lightweight also, not that heavy depending on the jamewar weave. This is the blouse piece and see the work and the weave. This is a nice peachish coral color, lovely piece with a nice border work. So on top of the weaving, we've done this cross stitch work to give it a new dimension to the sari. Join us our Facebook Live, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page and our Insta page, Sanskriti Kolkata Insta page. This is the border, 7,990, a very pretty coral color, silver, fine weaving with cross stitch border, direct stitch on the weave. So it's a nice concept, I suppose, and budget friendly also. Summer में ये सब साड़ी बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगेगा. ये कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस देखिए, ये और एक कॉम्बिनेशन है. इसका कलर क्या बताए, इसका बिस्किट कलर भी नहीं है, पिस्ता भी नहीं, इन बिटवीन एक बहुत खूबसूरत कलर है. I try to be very specific with the color. Number 15, 7,990. Lovely weave all over in silver zari, and the border is in cross stitch, very prominent thread work. Next is this grey blue color. Again, this is neither a powder blue nor lilac. It's in between a very, these are actually English shades, so very difficult to say the exact color because these are all दो तीन color mix करके ये सब color आता है. Like navy blue, a touch of grey and white मिलाकर जो color आता है. Actually, I can I'm spent a lot of time in art colleges, so hanging around in art colleges in Kolkata. And I used to love the sketches, and I used to paint myself also. And now that I don't get time, so I painted the walls. So this is a similar color that I was just talking about, and the border is again the same cross stitch work, and the blouse piece again with buta and work. साड़ी में टैसल्स लगाया हुआ है, और ये सब साड़ी ना, इसका फॉल, ये रेंज वाइज एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत साड़ी है, ट्रस्ट मी। अब आई विल शो चिकन वर्क साड़ीज। जॉर्जेट समर इज हियर। आई वांटेड टू डू अ फुल एपिसोड ऑन चिकन वर्क बिकॉज बहुत सूट्स भी आया है चिकन वर्क का, बट अगेन सूट का एक अलग एपिसोड हम करेंगे। This is number 17, a sea green color, summer colors, pastel shades, georgette with all over thread work in machine chicken work, and this is the satin backside border for the best finish. आंचल, सो ना ये गिरेगा नहीं आपका, ये शोल्डर में ये रहेगा। ये है ब्लाउज पीस वर्क। It's one of our very good selling pattern in chicken work. कलर हम दिखाते जा रहे हैं। सबका कलर्स 8800, रेंज भी बहुत रीजनेबल है। कितना सारा धागा का काम विद सीक्वेंस हाईलाइट, सैटिन फिनिश, बैक बॉर्डर सब मिलाकर, और इसका भी ब्लाउज पीस वैसा ही फुल वर्क है, बूटा एंड बॉर्डर। So this is another nice lime pista color. Next is this navy blue color. So if you want to go out for a summer nightwear party, so this is one of the color options in a darker shade. Sub finishing complete, just ready to ship. Blouse. For chicken work, we can take pre-orders at the moment. Now we have the fabric, so we can take pre-bookings for chicken embroidery sarees only. New design, pink color. Blouse piece, all georgette, number 20, 8800, number 20. This is the achol, very pretty and all complete with satin back fall, sequins attached. ऑफ वाइट, न्यू बॉर्डर। इसमें बॉर्डर में काम है, ये एक्स्ट्रा बॉर्डर में नाइस जरी और सीक्वेंस का ऑल ओवर बहुत खूबसूरत एक एक्स्ट्रा बॉर्डर अटैच्ड है। इसका पल्ला भी नया है, और इसका जो बॉर्डर के साथ ये बैक साइड बॉर्डर भी नैरो है, तो इसमें भी आपको फॉल नहीं लगेगा, क्योंकि नीचे में आपका तो ये नैरो बॉर्डर में फॉल है। आप चाहे तो लगा सकते हैं, लेकिन जरूरत नहीं है। आजकल कहाँ ये सब पहनकर रोड साइड में घूमते हैं। सो जहाँ जाते हैं आप लोग, वो थोड़ा टाइम में पहनोगे। इफ यू वांट यू कैन अटैच द फॉल, बट आई डोंट थिंक इट्स रिक्वायर्ड। व्हाट डू यू से? डू यू थिंक इट्स रिक्वायर्ड? आई डोंट थिंक सो, नैरो 1 इंच का बॉर्डर तो है ही फॉल, बेकार से साड़ी भारी हो जाएगा। अच्छा ये वाला है, ओह वाओ दिस इज आल्सो सो प्रिटी। ये सब थोड़ा सा पार्टी वेयर लुक है क्योंकि इसमें सीक्वेंस और बॉर्डर थोड़ा ब्रॉड भी है, तो ये आप पार्टी वेयर के लिए बहुत खूबसूरत एक साड़ी है। फ्यूशिया कलर, रोज पिंक शेड, वेरी वेरी प्रिटी कलर, नंबर 22। तो ये बॉर्डर से ये लुक आ रहे हैं। Another English shade, these colors I love, very new colors, and you can't even exactly say what colors. This kind of aqua in between, by the way, what is aqua color? I usually write a lot of aquas. Aqua is in between समुंदर का जो एक शेड आता है ना, जो ग्रीन और स्काई के बीच में एक कलर आता है, आई यूजुअली रेफर दैट एज एक्वा। इट्स अ वेरी नाइस ग्रीनिश टोन, ब्यूटिफुल। इट्स मोर, दिस वन इज मोर ऑफ ग्रीन, touch of more of green, but a very unusual lovely shade. In fact, I think even no, mine is totally different color. I love these colors, very rare shades. ये सब डाई में लाना बहुत टाइम लगता है। Now the ones that few more tussar again, tussar pitai zari. Like the one that I'm wearing, this is a grey color. Tussar pitai zari with blouse piece. Rich look, summer special. 19,900, and look at the work. Absolutely stunning work. All over buta, and we are giving an extra designer silk blouse with this. So double blouse piece you are getting with this saree. We love doing mix and match fusion collection. Now this is shaded like the one that I'm wearing. The previous one was a solid color. This is shaded. Peach to coral. This is the backside finishing. 19,900 with a blouse piece which is in tussar. Oh, this doesn't have a blouse piece. That previous one had double blouse. This without a blouse piece. That was without shaded. This is with shading. This is without a blouse piece. Without a blouse piece, I mean to say without a tussar blouse piece, but shaded. So जो पैसा वो ब्लाउज पीस में बचा वो शेडिंग में चला गया, लेकिन ये वाला हम ब्लाउज आपको दे रहे हैं, सो दुखी मत होइए। इसके साथ आपके हम ये वाला बहुत सुंदर एक ब्लाउज मैचिंग इसके साथ दे रहे हैं। तो दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी प्रिटी वन ब्लाउज पीस, ऑल ओवर जरी वीविंग इन प्योर बनारसी। कैसे लग रहे हैं आपको ये कॉम्बिनेशन? बहुत खूबसूरत कॉम्बिनेशन है। और एक डस्टी लैवेंडर, एकदम अनयूजुअल कलर्स इन गॉर्जियस पिटन जरी फॉर द समर फॉर्मल वेयर्स। ये सब मैचिंग ब्लाउज का, इसका दिमाग हमारा खराब हो जाता है एक एक साड़ी का ब्लाउज निकालना। इसका नो प्री बुकिंग। वी ट्राई टू कीप आवर प्रोडक्ट्स अ बिट ऑफ एक्सक्लूसिव एंड यूनिक, सो वी ट्राई नॉट टू टेक बल्क प्री ऑर्डर्स एंड सब वही, मतलब आजकल तो सब फोटो आ जाता है ना सोशल मीडिया में, तो थोड़ा एक्सक्लूसिविटी मेंटेन के लिए हम ज्यादा प्री ऑर्डर्स नहीं लेते हैं. I can, it's not that I can't, but I usually don't because I bring up so many new patterns and designs. आपको तो कुछ ना कुछ पसंद आ ही जाएगा. बल्क प्री ऑर्डर्स, प्री बुकिंग, वही पुराना चीज जो दिखा दिया बिक गया, तो वो थोड़ा सा हम अवॉइड करते हैं. आई ट्राई टू डू न्यू, कम अप विथ न्यू एंड मेंटेन एक्सक्लूसिविटी, डिजाइनर लुक. Look at this lime color, this combinations. So first come first serve basis. Do make the payment and send the screenshot, the one that I'm wearing, a similar tussar pitan zari with this blouse piece. I love this shade. It's a lightest shade of military green and jade green color. बहुत खूबसूरत कलर है. प्राइस इसका भी 19,900 है और जो नेक पीस हम पहना है ये पर्ल के साथ 4900 है. 4900 with this jade color earring. ये एक काइंड ऑफ ज्वेलरी है जो बहुत सारा साड़ी के साथ चला जाएगा. और जो पेयर ऑफ बाला बैंगल जो हम पहना है 4300 पेयर है. इसमें स्क्रू सिस्टम है तो ये फिट करेगा आपका कोई भी थिक या थिन हैंड रिस्ट में. ये फिनिशिंग देखिए, पूरा मोती है, पोल्की है, स्टोन्स है विद द स्क्रू सिस्टम. 4300 पेयर है. सो आज बहुत सारा नया पिटन जरी आपको दिखाया हमने. ये वाला और एक मेरा फेवरेट साड़ी है जो लेमन कलर जरी बॉर्डर और मेरा सिग्नेचर बर्ड का ऑल ओवर पिटन जरी का एम्ब्रॉयडरी है. दिस इज द पल्लू. 20,900. अमेजिंग एम्ब्रॉयडरी, नीट. I'll definitely show in details what a beautiful saree this is. This is the blouse piece. इसमें जरी स्ट्राइप है. साड़ी में एकदम इतना एलिगेंस है, इतना सोबर साड़ी है और इसके साथ डबल ब्लाउज आ रहा है आपका. टसर के ऊपर नैरो पिटन जरी विद डिजिटल प्रिंट. सो गेटिंग अ डबल ब्लाउज. This lovely lemon floral, and look at the work closely. इतना काम है लेकिन बैक साइड देखिए, एक धागा भी नहीं है आपके बैक में. This is the USP of Sanskriti. Last one. I just thought of doing a photo shoot of this. How do you like this? I'm very, very excited to show this also. See, this is a very modern pattern of digital printing with neon colors, okay? And we have finished it with embroidery, zari, ari, and attached it like an applique. Backside sari, tussar with badla, और ये मॉडर्न पैटर्न ऑफ डिजिटल प्रिंटिंग. कलर ऑल्सो वेरी मॉडर्न लुक, वेरी स्मार्ट. सी, टसर का एक ट्रेडिशनल टच है, उसके साथ एक कॉन्टेम्पररी ट्रेंडी लुक है जो गोज विद द ट्रेंड, विद द लेटेस्ट फैशन. सी, लुक एट द बॉर्डर. Isn't it a beauty? And this is the sari. The whole sari is so elegant. We've kept it super simple but very striking. Price 17,500. And here goes the maza, the blouse. कैसे लग रहा है? Very, very smart look साड़ी, very different, pure tussar. और ये सब ना डिजाइनिंग के ऊपर बहुत टाइम लगता है, नया नया साड़ी हम एक्सपेरिमेंट, आई लव डूइंग न्यू। जितना दिन हमारा दिमाग रहेगा नया हम आपको बनाकर देखेंगे। लेट इट बी गेट कॉपीड, और बनाएंगे, कितना कॉपी करेंगे, दिमाग है जितना दिन तक पूरा और नया नया बनाएंगे। बट फर्स्ट संस्कृति विल डिस्प्ले इट। एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपेंस ना, आई डोंट डू मच लाइव ना, लाइव होने से ना ये सब तुरंत का बहुत पहले दिखा दिया होता, लेकिन आई वेट फॉर एन एपिसोड टू डू इट वेरी इन अ फ्रेश माइंड, शो मोर वैराइटीज। दिस इज व्हाई आई प्रेफर डूइंग YouTube proper video, so we can really talk about the sari, we can display it well and not rush and just go with the rat race. I want to maintain a bit of classiness because these are all creative products. These are all in pure tussar. The blouse piece is also in tussar. Make it with use the whole fabric, and it's a very very smart look. And the third color, the stunning yellow. Take the screenshot, WhatsApp only, no phone calls, 76030429696. If you want to attach a gift tag, we'll do it for you. Shipping charges you need to pay, cash on delivery in Kolkata only. The third color of the Georgette dupatta. Good that I have a third color to display, then you can see the length and width of the dupattas. Number 323990, black color Georgette, Parsi machine work, 3990. All over, it's a very pretty dupatta. 3 color options that I've already shown. One is the red and one is the beige color. So 3 color options of this gorgeous stunning dupatta. So hope you like it and do subscribe. Namaskar, bhalo thakben shobai.